You can expect a lot from the 2014 BMW X1. With fewer than 35,000 miles on the odometer, this versatile and environmentally responsible vehicle provides both comfort and driving innovation. Turbocharger technology provides forced air induction, enhancing performance while preserving fuel economy. Top features include front fog lights, leather upholstery, a tachometer, power front seats, power moonroof, rear wipers, and seat memory. Everything is where it ought to be, from the dashboard controls to the door locks and window controls. BMW also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, anti-whiplash front head restraints, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. When road conditions become unpredictable, rely on all-wheel drive to maintain outstanding control. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing BMW's rigorous certification process. Please don't hesitate to give us a call